Framer Grid. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Go to your browser and search for 𝗕𝘂𝗀𝗀𝘀𝗀 in the search bar. Log into your account. If you don't have one, you need to create it first. Once you reach the home page, go to the top right corner and click the New Project button. Start by adding a frame, then change its radius to make it look like a card. Then create another frame inside of it to place your photo. After that, type a text field at the bottom of the card frame and set its size and overall structure whatever you want. When done, replace the card's background with one of your pictures and your card will be ready. Now, go to the desktop section and click the layout button. Next, add a new frame inside the desktop. Then choose the grid option from the layout menu. Copy your created card and paste it into the frame you just made. Once pasted, you can adjust the size or other settings to make the grid look exactly how you want. You can also click the plus button next to the desktop and choose another device option, such as tablet or phone.